With the flood situation in Assam turning grim, more than 33 lakh people across 28 districts have been affected. The National Disaster Response Force teams have carried out rescue operations in many flood-hit areas, including in Barpeta district, which is among the most affected district in the state. The National Disaster Response Force or NDRF teams have so far rescued more than 1,000 people from different flooded areas in many parts of Assam. In Barpeta district, more than 5 lakh people have been affected. NDRF teams have reached the flood-affected areas and evacuated over 500 villagers and shifted them to safer places. According to reports, the 1st Battalion of NDRF on July 12th rescued nearly 250 people, including a newborn baby from the Bajali area in Barpeta district. The NDRF teams have also taken the safety measures to curb the spread of COVID-19 infection during the rescue operations. NDRF and SDRF personnel were seen wearing masks and jacket to help them from drowning and PPE kit to protect from the deadly virus.
ये पानी 1-2 सेंटीमीटर करके बढ़ रहा था, लेकिन परसों से 3-4-5 करके बढ़ रहा है और आज सुबह से 3-2 करके अभी 1-2-3 करके अभी पानी बढ़ रहा है। अभी है पानी 50.54 मीटर।
Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal also reviewed the flood situation in Jonai at a meeting held at Jonai SDO Civil Office. In the meeting, he also announced that Poba Reserve Forest, the vital biodiversity hotspots in Dhemaji, would be upgraded to a wildlife sanctuary. Sonowal also announced 3 schemes totaling Rs 25 crore to tackle the erosion caused by Brahmaputra River in Dibrugarh district. The 3 new schemes would help to combat erosion in Liting Gaon, Romorio Gaon and Bogori Tola Lukasoni Gaon.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने नीति आयोग का हमारे उपाध्यक्ष के जरिए एक कमेटी गठन किया है और इस कमेटी में हमारे पड़ोसी जो भी राज्य है सभी राज्यों से एक-एक सदस्य को लिया गया है। नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाटर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी के नाम से इस कमेटी को अगले दिनों में ब्रह्मपुत्र और इनको उपनदी जो है बाढ़ और भूकटाव समस्या का स्थायी हल निकालने के लिए डिटेल प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट बनाने के लिए जिम्मेदारी सौंपा गया है।
As per reports, more than 50 animals, mostly hog deer, have died either by drowning or been run over by cars on National Highway 37 while fleeing floodwaters.
So far, 3 tigers have strayed out from the main national park area. 2 are already back to the safest area, and 1 still resting in a village called Bagmar area. And the rest of operations is going on, and we are getting good support from the civil administration, police administration, and from the fringe villager.
A total of 11 search and rescue operations of NDRF teams were deployed in Jorhat, Bongaigaon, Kamrup Metro, Kamrup Rural, Baksa, Barpeta, Kachar, Sivsagar, Sonitpur, Dhemaji and Tinsukia districts of Assam. The NDRF team reached the site and evacuated 487 marooned villagers and shifted the flood-affected people to higher ground.